Electric vehicle batteries are made of metals lithium, cobalt, graphite, vanadium and manganese. These metals typically originate in the Democratic Republic of Congo, Australia and Chile. Cobalt is one of the most expensive metals in EV batteries, costing between $33,000 and $35,000 per tonne. Cobalt is dug out of open pit mines in the DRC. From there, it's shipped to Finland, the largest cobalt refinery in Europe. Next, it's delivered to China, where the majority of the world's cathode and battery production takes place. The cells are then shipped to the United States or Europe and turned into packs, before being dispatched again to automotive production lines. All that means cobalt can travel more than 30,000 kilometres from mine to automaker.